So news from China came out that Tesla is going to produce the Model Q next year, and we'll talk a little bit about it. And so it's a lower cost. And there was a lot of talk before with the Model Q and the Model 2, and there was a lot of speculations. But now it seems it's going to be happening. So I'm so excited about it. Also, the other thing is I want to talk about the China numbers are coming out. And it almost looks like, and I'm hoping I'm right, that Tesla is actually making Wall Street consensus. So that would be awesome. Also, we'll talk a little bit about analyst price predictions. So stay tuned. I'm excited. So welcome to my channel where I give you the latest Tesla news. The wait is finally over, and Tesla has officially announced its latest edition, the Model Q, to be released early 2025. The cheaper version model will help the company to expand its annual growth rate. One of Tesla's plans, moving past 2024, was to launch a new platform that will enable most cost-effective models, bringing the vehicle to a new demographic and perhaps expanding sales for years to come. The Model Q is poised to revolutionize the EV market. Of course, rumors of the Model Q, Model 2, and others have floated around the community for a long time now, but now it seems we have some substance with the new report out of China. According to Global China EV, Tesla announced during an investor meeting with Deutsche Bank that it has plans to launch the Model Q for less than $30,000, aiming to compete with the vehicles like BYD's Dolphin and the Volkswagen ID.3. Therefore, Tesla's VP of Investor Relations is to believe that Tesla is gearing up to launch a new vehicle called the Model Q. The report coming out of China claims that Travis Axelrod, Tesla's head of Investor Relations, confirmed the existence and impending arrival of the new entry-level car. However, these last few days, one of Tesla's engineers has commented that some of the lower-cost vehicles' parts might be similar to the Model 3, which means that it can be produced faster and cheaper. But earlier this year, Tesla mentioned that investors should expect a lower growth rate in 2024 because of the company's focus on the next-generation platform that would bring more affordable vehicles. Tesla also said in more than one occasion that it plans to bring affordable models to markets in the first half of 2025. That means that both of those could align with the report, which details the vehicle as part of a rumored Project Redwood that was reported earlier during January this year. The report says the vehicle will be about 15% smaller than the Model 3, bringing a more compact vehicle to Tesla's lineup. With Tesla also focusing on the robotaxi and its full self-driving efforts, this vehicle will likely be a minimalist as possible. Therefore, it'll still feature a steering wheel and pedals for the time being, but will be geared towards autonomous driving functionality, and I'm guessing buyers will have a choice of preference. These vehicles will utilize aspects of the next generation platform according to Benzinga Newswire, as well as aspects of current platforms, and will be able to be produced on the same manufacturing lines as the current vehicle lineup. This approach will result in achieving less cost reduction than previously expected, but enable Tesla to prudently grow vehicles in volumes in a more capex efficient manner during uncertain times, the company said. But that's not the only secret car Tesla has in store for us next year, according to the same report. It claims that the automaker will also launch other models to expand its market size in a bid to hit 25 to 30% growth. One of those additional EVs could be a long wheelbase 3-row Model Y conceived primarily with China in mind, but it could also work well with other countries and help plug the huge gap between the Model Y and the Model X SUVs. The Model Y is also scheduled to get a facelift in 2025. But Tesla warned, however, that rolling out new lower-cost products would lead to a temporary drop in profitability in the Chinese media set. Other news supposedly are coming out of the conference, including Tesla's affirmation that it would launch a self-driving taxi service in California and Texas in 2025 using the Model 3 and Y vehicles ahead of the launch of the company's real robotaxi and the Cybercab in 2026. Therefore, it is similar to what Elon Musk said at the V-Robot event in the last earnings call. Tesla will eventually cut costs of the Cybercab production to $30,000 per unit, the report claimed. So I think this is pretty exciting and another step in the right direction. So let's talk about the other news. On Monday, Tesla reduces supercharging prices to accelerate EV adoption amid slowing demand. So what happened? D. Ziegler said that superchargers prices have been reduced overall in the US. The goal behind the move is to price it lower to accelerate EV adoption and be financially sustainable to invest in expanding the network, the director of charging said. The reduction of charging cost is also a potential strategy for wooing potential customers to buy Tesla's over gas vehicles amid slowing EV demand. Tesla shares rose over the $400 price point early Monday already, and it's much higher now. According to Benzinga Pro, this increase follows Tesla's announcement of the new affordable model during an investor meeting with the Deutsche Bank. And Elon Musk, he's so funny, mocks Tesla shorts after the stock hit $400. He's crazy. So what happened? Tesla shorts reciting litany against fear, Musk said on a post on the social media platform X. Litany against fear refers to the recital that features in the 1965 science fiction novel Dune by Frank Herbert that starts with "Fear is the mind killer." So here I'll give you some price targets from analysts. Cantor Fitzgerald adjusts price target on Tesla to $365 from $255, keeps neutral rating. Morgan Stanley adjusts price target on Tesla to $400 from $310, maintains overweight rating. On Tuesday, Benzinga Newswire reported that Tesla had its second best week in China in 2024, boosting Q4 prospects. China sales are picking up momentum, so this is what happened. Insurance registrations for Tesla vehicles in China came in at 21,900 units for the week that ended in December 8, marking its the second best week in 2024, according to a report by CNEV. Gary Black deemed the latest insurance registration numbers outstanding. I think Gary is back. Market chatter. Tesla Indian property developer DLF discussed New Delhi showroom space. Tesla in its early discussion with Indian property developer DLF to help secure showroom space in New Delhi. Reuters reported Tuesday, citing two sources with direct knowledge of the situation. So in conclusion, the Model Q is an absolute game changer, and I'm excited to see how it will impact the automotive industry as a whole, not to mention the autonomous market. What do you think about the Model Q? Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Tesla updates. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Claudia, and if you would like to learn more about Tesla and the company, you could watch this video next. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.